Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to be showing you some different methods to make beautiful bows. If you want to see some examples, keep watching. So today I'm going to be showing you different easy bows you can make for your gift baskets or for wreath, whatever you want to put it on. So you're going to need curling ribbon. You can use curling ribbon, you can use twine, or you can use these bread twist things. And our ruler would be, good, and you'll need scissors, and you'll also need ribbon. I prefer wired ribbon. You can bend that, it just shapes better, but you don't have to. So the first bow is just a standard, almost like it's just a standard bow. And so I'm gonna measure about 25 inches. Cut this here. So that's 25. Put this so you can see this. And this is all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it out like this. This will make it easier to fold it in half like this, and then you can bring it out like this, just like that. Bring this down, all the way down like this, and you don't even have to do all that scrunching and stuff. This is all you're gonna do is just take this here, take this, let me show you again, take this, whatever. We're not even doing all them different things like that. We're just gonna take and pull it, make sure that it's even, pull this back, turn it, pull this down, pull up, out, take and do this. We're going to take our scissors. We're going to do this. Well, guess what? We're going to leave it like that. And you just would take, I don't like that. I cut it wrong. Cut it wrong, y'all. So let's do this. Since I cut it wrong, we're gonna do this and make it right. Huh. Now we do that. How about that? All right. So now you have a basic bow that you can put on. This is one type of bow. And that's what happens when you're not paying attention and I cut it wrong. Okay, here's another bow that you can make. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take and you're just gonna wrap it around. One. Okay, this here is really only one loop. Now it's two. Now it's three. Now it's 4, 5. Okay, you're gonna cut it. And what you're gonna do here, you're gonna just take it, make sure it's even. You don't really even have to make sure it's even. This is all you have right here. And you're gonna take this. So now I just wrapped it around. I didn't do anything fancy. You're gonna take your curling ribbon, or if you use twine, Or you can use pipe cleaners too. I didn't feel like digging for them. Now this is just for example purposes. You're gonna have it like this. Take this here, pull it through here. Make sure they're even. So let's bend it back. Okay, it's even. Pull that. We're gonna tie it. I like to use this because then you can tie it around there, and this is all we're gonna do. I should have went around one more time. I'm not even with my, oh man. Alright, so let's take this apart because you gotta be even with your loops. So it's gonna make my bow shorter, but I'm not gonna edit this out either because I want you to see my mistakes. Okay, so this here is one loop. Two loops. Three loops. Four loops. 5 loops. 6 loops. So we should have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. There we go. Now we're going to try this again. Alright? Because you want to have an even amount on each side with the tail. This here, loop. Put it through this. You want to make sure it's even. Alright, so you see this here? And we're going to pull this through. Now that's if you're using this or this here stuff. If you got a tie, a pipe cleaner, you'll just twist it around. Alright, make sure it's even. Alright, and then you're gonna, and I would use matching curling ribbon. Okay, now this is what we're gonna do. Now that we have it right, so you should have even amount of loops. So we're gonna pull this one out. This side and pull this out. And then here you have another bow, and you can put in the middle of here, you could hot glue a flower. You could put a gem, or you could put like some type of other embellishment, and you can just cut this tail here off. You use this to wrap around it. So this is another bow. So now we have 2 bows here. All right, so this here one, you could use this here. This is really gonna be an easy method. So let me see, if you want your bow to be 5, you're gonna measure 10. So we done measured 10. So we're gonna cut this here. We're gonna cut it. Then we're gonna cut another one. Then we're gonna cut another one. This is good for mixing colors. I'm gonna do 4. So, and this is what you're gonna do. This is all you're gonna do. You're gonna put it in half. 1, 2, 3, 4. Literally, this is all you do is cut it and put it like that. Let's just use this. Pipe cleaner probably would be better. Like this or something like that. But this is literally all you're going to do here. And you just going to fluff it out. Fluff it out. Fluff it out. Fluff it out. That's all you're going to do. And you can take, if these were longer, which I probably would make them longer, you just gonna take these tail parts and flatten them out. That's all you're gonna do. Flatten them out. That's all you would do with that. But here's another bow. And this is simple. You just cut strips. I would cut the strip so that your tail part can be just as long as the top part so that it could open up and you would have tails on it. But this is another basic bow that you can do. But this will be the last one I show you because I just wanted to just only use one. So this will be a smaller one that I'll do. So whenever you have this half here, this is only one loop here. Alright, and so then what you're gonna do here, this is one loop. You're gonna twist this, twist, and then this is your second loop. And then you're gonna twist this. If you have problems with your hands, this might not be the best option for you. You're gonna twist this. This. So now you should have even ones on each side. We're going to use this as an example. And so now we're going to just fluff out, twist and fluff out. I didn't make, usually when I do it like this, I do a lot of loops. Twist and fluff out. This is just for example purposes. This is just to give you an idea. And you just fluff it out. If you wanted to have long tails, you could keep the tails long on here. And this is just another quick example. So you could do it just like a basic bow. You could do it where you just wrap around and then fluff out. You could do it where you just cut the strips and put them together. Or you could do it where you fold and twist, fold and twist, and then you could just make your loops like that. These are basic ones. Wire ribbon works the best. Gift baskets, wreath, different things. You can put multiple colors together. You could do double bows. You could add tails to it. There's so many ways that you can make the bows, and I like bows that are handmade. They just really add to it. You can add embellishments. You can add different ribbons with the like bling to it. You can add flowers to it. You can add like the little brooch looking things to it. You can add charms to it. I add ornaments on mine during Christmas time. The possibility is endless, and it makes your basket look so awesome when you have the handcrafted book. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can know every time I upload a new video. Till the next video, have a good one. See ya.